What's the name of YouTube? Hello! Get off of me. Get off of me. Alright. People of YouTube. Today, we are going to be doing some we are going to be doing some contests on a trampoline.
Of naked.
Shut up, Anthony.
This is gonna say naked.
Shut up. Alright, we are going to be doing contests on this trampoline.
Wait, guys. But there's even gonna be some of my friends coming too.
Yeah, if Junior comes soon in the video, he'll be. What? Wasn't he already in the video before?
Yeah.
Alright, the 2 Geometry Dash slide videos?
Yeah.
Alright.
And the Stickman video? Yeah. The Stickman video.
Okay, we're going to be doing who jumps the highest contest first. But first, let me get off the trampoline though. Go. Here they go. Leave in the comments if you think who jumped the highest, peoples.
I jumped the highest.
Alright. Stop this. No. We're doing a new challenge, peoples. Get ready for.
I think Michael's about to cry. Cut the video.
Cut! Video recording. Take 2. Alright, peoples. Now we are going to be doing
A fighting.
No! We're going to be doing push fight, boy! Push fight! Marco, would you please do the honors? You are going to do it here. First, need a pause. Alright, people, here we go!
Marco's the wrong way. He's not pushing us.
Yeah. Hand. Woo! Hand, keep holding it, Alright, hand. Do it like this, right there. Alright, you ready? Hey! Come on, boy!
I heard the crowd go.
No! I am the winner! Shut up, boy. Here.
Not me, Anthony.
Alright, hang on. Anthony's gonna record this time. Okay. We're gonna be trying to dodge some pillows today. Anthony, go get some stuffed animals.
No.
Hurry up. Take 3. Hurry up.
No.
New SpongeBob commercial. Take 3.
Yes.
Alright, now we're gonna be doing.
Take 30,000.
Nope. We're gonna be knocking down some cones today. Go get those cones, guys. Go get the cones. Look, Specky's chasing you. Whoa. Quit it, Anthony. You guys have to knock down cones. Marco, go get some things. I'm gonna set these up. Come here.
Wait. I'm gonna show them.
Ooh! Alright, hang on. Take 3. New SpongeBob commercials. Take 3. Get off of me. Marco, send them up. Alright, you almost ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Put that. Yeah, okay. Alright, give us some weapons to shoot at it with.
I only have one.
No! He wants me to use this, boys. Alright, Anthony. Marco, you're going to be recording again. You're judges. Go. Alright, Marco, you have to record the cones getting knocked down. Alright, is that on the cone?
No. I can't see it. There, now.
Alright, give it to me. Now!
Actually, never mind. It's not on the cones.
Fine, I'll do it then. Hang on, guys. New SpongeBob commercial. Take 4. Thank you for 20 subs. You missed one more time. We're doing take 5. Hurry up, you peoples! New SpongeBob commercial, take 5. There you go, come on, people! Hey, take that down, take that cone down. That's already knocked down, you butt!
My butt. That's my butt.
Shut up, you mother.
My baby parrot.
Give me money, you fucking nigger. Oh, look! This man right here! This man right here!
Ugly man. I'm an ugly man.
Anthony, right there, you loser. Anthony, you loser.
Mommy.
This is her life. 2 more seconds. 1, 2, beep, 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 beep. New SpongeBob commercial. Take 6. All right, you peoples. Hey! All right, now you're gonna be seeing some footage of me trying to dodge. Hey! Now take 7. New SpongeBob commercial. Take 7. All right, I'm gonna be trying to dodge this guy right here. Oh. All right, Marco, here you take. Marco, here you take this. No, Marco, stop, Marco. Fine, you guys try to dodge this. You fucking niggers. Marco's dead, Marco. Ah! Give me money, you fucking nigger. Oh! How dare you? Give me money, you fucking nigger.